thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a wear test on Maybelline's Superstay products, and I'm going to be showing you guys the new Superstay concealer and how I apply all of the products. So today's video is sponsored by Maybelline, so huge thank you to Maybelline for sponsoring this video. I'm very excited to be working with them and showing you guys these products. I've been using these products for a very long time and was so excited when the concealer came out. I bought it as soon as it did. So before we hop on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it. And if you'd like to know how all of these products wear throughout the day, then please just keep watching. So first I'll be going in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I have the shade Classic Ivory. I bought my first bottle of this foundation about a year ago, so I've been using it for a very long time. I'm so happy with the results it gives me. It's so full coverage. It completely smooths out my skin and makes it look like I have perfect skin basically, and who doesn't want that? So I'm gonna go in with a damp sponge. This is my favorite way to apply it, and it just blends out like a dream. This side of my face is before I put the foundation on, and this is after. As you can see, it still completely looks like my skin. It just smooths it out and takes away all of the redness. So I like the fact that it's not cakey whatsoever. I really like a matte finish and a full coverage finish, and a lot of the times when I buy foundations that achieve that finish, it also makes my skin look really cakey. This one does not do that, so I'm so happy that I have this in my life. Now time to apply some concealer. I bought this concealer as soon as they launched it, so I've been using it ever since. So this is the Maybelline Full Coverage Superstay Concealer. I have a few shades here, but the one I'm going to be using today is the shade Light. If I want a more highlighted effect under my eyes, then I go in with the shade Fair. So just like the foundation, this concealer is full coverage. It's a long wear. It lasts up to 24 hours. So I'm going to start applying it underneath my eyes. I usually go a little bit below the lash line. And what I really love about this specific concealer is it has this precise paddle applicator wand. It makes for a very precise application. I like to also prime my eyes with it because it's transfer and smudge resistant, so my eyeshadow is not going to go anywhere, and since it's full coverage as well, it's going to cover up all my veins, and I don't like those poking through when I put my eyeshadow on, so this makes it perfect for concealing and also priming my eyes. Again, blending it out with a damp sponge. Concealer is also extremely easy to blend out, and it doesn't feel dry on the skin. This is what the concealer looks like blended out. It's just so smooth. I'm obsessed with how the foundation and the concealer completely smooth out my skin. Makes it look so good, and I have very dark under eye circles, so using this concealer completely helps them, especially in the morning time before I have to go to work. No one needs to see my bags. I have the rest of my makeup on, and now for the final touch, I'm going to do my lipstick. Maybelline has Superstay Ink crayons as well as Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipsticks. I'm going to put on one of the liquid lipsticks today because they are my favorite. I have a nude one that I wear all the time, but for today I want to be a little bit more dramatic, a little bit more fall, so I'm going to go in with this one, which is called Globe Trotter. You guys would die if you smelled these. They smell so good. And they bring me back to a memory, but I really can't remember what it is, but they smell delicious. I love that they have a little pointy tip on the applicator because then you can kind of use it as a lip liner and guide the outer perimeters of your lips before you fill in your lips. That way you won't make any mistakes. Okay, so now that all of my makeup is applied, I'm going to come back in a few hours, show you guys how the products are holding up and how they wear on my skin. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so it is 6:37 right now to be exact. I put this foundation on around noon, so I've had it on for almost 7 hours now, and I haven't done absolutely no touch-ups yet. So I'll just show you a little close-up of my skin. I am literally obsessed with how my skin looks. It just stays right into place, makes my skin look smooth for the whole entire day. So I'm gonna keep this on for a couple more hours, do a few extra things, and I will come back and show you what it looks like at the end of the day. Okay, so it is the end of the day now. It is 8:30 to be exact, and I've been wearing this all day. So just about 9 hours. This is how my skin is looking. It basically looks the exact same as when I put it on, which is insane. Honestly, I have not touched up all day. My lipstick is still intact. My foundation and my concealer are not smudging. They didn't transfer onto anything, so everything is still locked into place, which makes me so happy. So that is it for the video. It was really fun to film and show you guys how the Maybelline Superstay products hold up and wear on my skin. I'm so happy with the new concealer they came out with. I choose to wear that concealer and this foundation specifically to work every day because I know it'll last me all day long and not go anywhere. Another huge thank you to Maybelline for sponsoring this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!